Hey guys, you know what day it is? That's right, it's Whip It Up Wednesday, and today we're going to do a little bit of a twist. We're going to take inspiration from Lisa over at Sutton's Days, and we're going to make this Fiesta pork shoulder. Oh my God, it is so good. You won't believe it. You're going to have to try this. Come on back and I'll show you how we're going to do it. Okay, so the ingredients we're going to use today is the other half of the pork shoulder that we used last time. I've already removed the bone. Along with that, we're going to use some onions, a small can of tomato sauce, and some Fiesta ranch dip. First thing I want to do is go ahead and throw this part of the pork roast into this small crock, all the little pieces, and then we'll go ahead and throw in the onions. And we'll throw over the ranch Fiesta mix. And then the sauce gently, as not to disturb the seasonings too much. Oh, that smells so good. And we haven't even started cooking it. You didn't see this? I don't have a spatula, so we're gonna fake it. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the crock pot sleeve on high for about 4 hours, and then I'll bring you back to see where we're at with this one. Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't throw your bone away. I'm going to wrap it in some plastic wrap, stick it in a freezer bag, and throw it in the freezer, and I'm going to save this for the next time that I make a big old pot of beans. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, our Fiesta pork shoulder should be ready. Let me pull the little crock out. Forgot my towel. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Totally amazing. Thank you, Lisa, for sharing Fiesta Ranch seasoning. It smells like a freshly opened bag of those little triangle chips. You know, those Fiesta chips. No names. Let's see how well we've done, though. Let's see. Where do we want to cut this? Super tender. Extremely tender. It's almost falling apart. Okay. That there. Oh my God. Don't know where I'm going. Let me move this out of the way. Oh God. Oh yes, thanks Lisa for turning us on to that seasoning mix. Now I did let this cook for 5 hours on high. Probably would have done 4.5, and then it would have held together a little bit better, but still it tastes amazing. Oh God, I can't stop eating it. Y'all go away, just mine. Okay, so if you want the recipe, go to www.funcookingchannel.com, click on the little recipe link, and then search for it in the list, or just hit this little icon right over here, take you right to it. You know what we need? We need some seasoned rice to go with this. Come back next time and I'll show you how to make it.